Oopsie. I think that was the seed that I put in there to try to get slips off. I think that's what, yeah, because they don't grow that high on the ground like that. Yeah, that's the seed. A little tiny one.
I got bubble here on my knee because of the skin of it.
Nothing? This is our first time growing these Beauregard. We planted them back in like the beginning of May. And here it is, the end of August. And the slip information said, what, 90 days? So it's been more than 90 days. But we do have some success with a little bit of them. I'll take that, being it's our first time.
I feel like it's good.
Oh, he forked it.
Yeah, really good.
That happens. Thank you. I see a little small one in back there. To your left. To your left. Your left.
This is my left.
Yes, that's where it is.
Oh, behind me?
Right beside your boot.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, it's a little one. Countryman, you sound winded.
Yeah, it's kind of warm out here a little bit this morning. I think what it is actually when it starts running, it just catches in the ground. Versus if we can get the actual root, you get potatoes.
I mean, you know more about sweet potatoes than I do.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh-oh. See a little earth? earthworm. That's always a good sign.
They always get all over this bed.
Awesome.
Mama.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But get to the bottom of the root. And they
So
go
what
up
you're
from
saying,
there.
it wasn't deep enough in?
No, they were deep enough, but just that when it run off, that piece just catches in the ground for whatever reason it roots. If you can get to the bottom of the actual plant, you get some.
I mean, it's not too shabby, being it's our first time.
No,
What y'all think?
it's good.
Whatever we get, I'm not going to complain. Because our garden has done, it may not be the prettiest, but it's done some good things for us this year.
Absolutely.
The Lord has really blessed.
Absolutely.
And the fertilizer that I used was Dr. Earth fertilizer. It's coming along. Will you plant this variety again?
Of course.
This is the Beauregard, for those who don't know. I don't think I said it at the beginning. These are 90-day maturity rate. These went over a little more than 90 days. I got these slips from our local Feed and Seed, actually. So not too shabby. We're almost done, y'all. And once we get all the potatoes harvested, what are we gonna put in this bed?
I don't know.
We're gonna put something in here, right?
Yeah,
Something. All right, countryman, don't lose your balance. You won't be able to go to the rodeo today.
Mama wants to rodeo today?
Yes, sir. That's about it?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Yeah, I see a few more in the ground. We got a few more to harvest. But just wanted to show y'all what we got going on. I hadn't made a video in a while. That's a pretty sizable one. Okay. I'll take that.
Hello, it's Country Boy.
Yes, SC Country Boy. All right, we're going to sign off because we're almost done. Hope everybody is doing good. It's almost time for fall gardening. I'm sure some of y'all have already started. We're a little bit behind, but we'll get it together. All right, y'all be safe and take care.